Hi my friends, welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. Today's a special unboxing and I am Cori. Today I have a product review for a fantastic company. It's a VIP Crosstitch and I got a few things from them. They are pretty much exclusively needlework type projects, and I have three projects to share with you today. Now VIP Crosstitch has given me a discount code that you can use, and it's Cori07. And if you guys decide to go and take advantage of their fantastic prices, please use that code. I'm going to link it down below. I'll put it across the bottom here. And if you'll use that code when you go over there, they'll know that that you guys are listening to me. So please take advantage of that discount. It's a 7% discount. Over at Joy Sunday, they have 11 count, they have 14 count, and they even have 18 count stamped cross stitch. The 14 and 11 you can choose. I believe on most projects you can choose whether or not you want stamped or counted cross stitch. They also have projects. They have bookmarks, beaded embroidery, their little keychains. They're so cute. There's so many things to choose from too. And they have these little pillows that you can make out, cross stitch pattern on them. And some of them are embroidery patterns. And they have door hangers and ornaments and all kinds of really cute things over there. So go check them out. The first one I'm going to open is, I call this my winter deer sampler. All of the ones I got today are 14 count, and I hope that's one thing you need to be really careful, because at the bottom of the picture is where you choose where you want stamped or counted. So be sure that you go and mark whichever one you want. I thought this was really, really pretty. I'll show it up close. It's called Christmas Reindeer is what they call it. It is pre-printed, stamped. Yay! I was wondering. I wanted to make sure that that's what I got. This is the chart. The symbols on this chart won't be the same as what is stamped on the fabric. They have a different code here. And so this is the chart. This one is just one folding sheet. Let me see. There are 29 colors. There may be 30 colors because there's an extra outline color that is not over here. So there are 30 colors. Let's look at the chart. I know that's what y'all want to y'all want to look at that canvas. I don't know if I said this earlier, but they're all 14 count. And it's stamped squarely and clearly on each square. It didn't get off anywhere. It is marked, the edges are serged. And it is only full stitch and back stitch. I'm really enjoying these samplers. I'm almost done with completing my Home Sweet Home sampler. And these are very pretty colors. I love soft pastels. Got some greens and some blues, and more greens and blues and whites and pinks, more greens and blues. That seems to be the theme of the colors of this one. I'm surprised there's not more white, but there's these pinks right here. So these are very soft. They are long length, and not many strands of any one color. Probably the biggest color is the blue, which doesn't surprise me when you look at this picture. There is a lot of blue on it. So it has 2 needles right here that you can use. They're gold tipped, gold eye needles. And there are 30 colors on here for my 14 count Winter Deer sampler. Put that over here. The next one that we have, this is something I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to do a monochrome stitching pattern. And this again is a 14 count. It's a 28 by 21 centimeters. And I never told you how big this one was over here. This one was 32 by 32. So this one's a bit smaller. And since it's monochrome, there's only one color of thread. And I did get 2 needles that have a gold eye. There's only one color, and that's a beautiful color of red. It's almost a deep dark pink. And this is much smaller. And there is going to be a back stitch on it. The back stitch will, the pattern is right here. So the back stitch will be around this area right here. So it'll be cross stitched around, and then you'll outline that. So that won't be too hard to do at all. That'll be easy. But I'm excited to do this one. It is 14 count also. The edges are serged. The print is planted right where it should be. It's not off. And that pattern is very clear. And I like that it's not real big, but I really wanted to do a monochromed pattern. So I'm excited to start these, guys. This one only has a full stitch and a back stitch. And this one I'm excited about too. As y'all can see, I'm beginning to find more what I like to do. I like to do the sampler type projects. And so that is the way I have been going lately. This one should also be a 14 count. These bags are wonderful. If you haven't done Joy Sunday before, these all say Joy Sunday on the website, but they don't say Joy Sunday on these papers. So I have a theory. I think Joy Sunday makes all of them and different people buy them. That's my theory. And Joy Sunday is specifically for the Joy Sunday store. This one is a little bit bigger. It's 38 by 49 centimeters. And so this chart is a little bit bigger. It has several pages. But look how big and clear they are. It's a very, very nice chart. Here are the colors. Look at those bright colors. Those are definitely bright summertime colors. You got all the colors of the rainbow. Yellows, reds, pinks, blues, greens, browns, blues. Let's turn it over. There are also 2 needles right here with the golden eye. And look at these. These are the bright colors. We've got red, yellow, black. It looks like there's going to be a lot of black. On here, I'm trying to see if that's a true black or a dark navy blue. Let's see what color that is. That is 310. So this one came on two cards, 1.5 cards really. But so these colors are very soft. I love that vibrant color. We have one that's pastel, and then this one's a vibrant for summer. Let's look at this canvas. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, guys. This one is a bit bigger. These all have their kit numbers on them. And it has over here their measure, how many stitches across and down. And all of these have that information on them. And they're all serged. These are very good quality stamp kits. Very good quality. I am very happy with them. And I can't wait to do them. This is very exciting. I seem to go, I like monthly season type prints, and I'm finding that I like sampler type prints. And so that's how many colors does this one have? This one has 43 colors. And there will be French knot in here. See if I can find out where the French knot is going to be. The French knots are, they don't bother me that much. Looks like there's some eyes that are French knots on the lobsters. There's some French knots up here on the ladybug. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I just love this. I think it's going to be so cute. Look at it. Is that the most cutest little summertime sampler you've ever seen? I just love it. It's got all these bears on it. Hats. So I'm excited to work on these kits. Very excited. We've got the summertime sampler. Let's see if we can get it all in there. Summertime. We've got the Monochrome Tree. And we've got the wintertime sampler, deer sampler. And that's it from VIP Crosstitch. You guys, please go check them out. Wonderful company. The prices on these were fantastic. The summertime was $9.02, and it is the biggest one. This 14 count Monochrome Tree was only $4.55. And this Winter Deer Sampler was only $5.94. I'm going to put the links below so you can go get these yourself. But while you're over there, I'm also going to give you the Joy Sunday link. So while you're over there, you can do some looking around. And don't forget to use my code when you go over there. You guys take care, because I want to see you again in the next one.